All right, it's live. My friend JJ brought in my box and I got my, oh yeah, look at them sharp looking, beautiful looking shoes. Hey, what's up, bro? Man, I tell you what, fresh straight out of the box. These are called the Nike Air Max 1s. They're called the Rare Rubies. They're beautiful, man. I got myself in a size 9. And what I'm going to do is one time only. What I'm going to do is this. Get them boys on. Try them on. Beautiful. Look at the gorgeousness out of these guys. Off with these old. See you later. Bye. Let's try some of these guys on. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Look at that. Sweet deal. You know, sometimes when you get a new pair of shoes, they fit like a glove. And I'm going to tell you now, they fit beautiful like a glove. Now, the thing is about this whole special deal is that I have a special plan for this pair of shoes. Of course, they're so nice, they're so beautiful, I won't jack them up. These will only be used for one thing: walking around and going to church. But since I pulled these straight out of the box, they get one time of action. And I'm sure that no one in this world will see what these Rare Rubies can do. This is going to be one of the best things I've done in a long time. I'm at 55 years of my age. I did this one sport that everyone used to love. And where I'm at, it's kind of fun because I'm at the airport. I'm at the Albuquerque Sunport Airport. I just walked out of my office. Came to see everybody right here. See how the action of everyone's here. There's John Lee. Hey, John Lee. Where you going? What do you think of my new shoes? You guys like them? I just got them. Now I'm gonna bust them in now. Yeah. So with these new shoes, I want to show you guys something. Let me see if we're live. Oh yeah. Okay. Here we go. Bless you. Here we go. Hello, Miss Regina. How are you doing? I'm doing good. So, with my new Nike Rare Rubies. Watch this, sir. First time. 55-year-old. Oh, yeah. Time chance. Right. Oh yeah. Yes. Oh yeah. Ooh. The only time they'll only get to see some action. All right, we're coming. We're live. All right. Loving the shoes. Check them out. Woohoo! They work well. Thank you so much. We're out at the fine looking Red Rubies here in Albuquerque, New Mexico. We're out.